Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, your Garmin keeps asking if you want to relax. That is stress tracking. So, here's how to actually turn it on and actually find the data in the app. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go and talk about how to enable stress tracking in Garmin Connect. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So first and first, you should go through the watch setting. Stress tracking requires wristband heart rate to be enabled. So on your watch, hold the light button, then go to settings, look for the heart rate option, then go through the wrist heart rate. It must be on like status on. So all day stress needs this sensor running like 24/7. If heart rate is off, stress is fully off as well. So you're gonna ask me where to find it and connect. All you're gonna do is basically open the app, Garmin Connect, use your email address and password to actually log in. Then go and look for the health stats or scroll down on the home screen. Look for the stress tile. If you don't see it on any basically iPhone or iOS, tap Edit My Day. It's like a pencil icon. Then scroll all the way to stress. Then tap the plus button to add it to your dashboard. Drag it where you want, then tap on Save. Your stress data is now basically front and center. No toggle on needed. So, as for basically like a small secret, there is no enable stress toggle inside the app itself. Once your watch is recording heart rate, Garmin Connect automatically displays the stress. So if it is nothing showing, you either remove the glance or your watch is not syncing properly. So check those two things and you are done. And that's it. So thank you all for watching. So see you all in the next video.